Look at this problem. This is one of the Biot-Savart law application problem. What he is asking, through that a conductor, current is passing here, infinite conductor, and ABCD is a square. It is perpendicular to this plane. For this board, perpendicular. Okay. What is the minimum magnetic field due to this current carrying conductor produces? Where it produces? On this square loop. That is the question. On this square loop, where it can produce the minimum magnetic field. So nearest it produces the maximum magnetic field, because Biot-Savart's law, what it says. Look at here. Biot-Savart's law, what it says. B equals to mu naught upon 4 pi ideal sin theta upon r square. B is inversely proportional to r square. Radius increases, field decreases. So for B point nearest to conductor, A point is on the conductor, D point nearest to conductor, C is the longest distance. So here is the minimum magnetic field will produce. At this point, how to find out the magnetic field? First of all, from conductor to C, you need to take conductor to C, you need to take perpendicular distance. You look at here, perpendicular distance you need to consider. Perpendicular distance you need to consider first of all. So this is the perpendicular distance. Given in the problem, the square side is L, you assume. Given in the problem, the square side is L. So what about this distance? If the square side is L means, what about this distance? In a square, you take this is the square. This is the square. So this is L. This is L means what is the diagonal? Sum of the side square. Sum of the side square equals to hypotenuse square. Assume as x. This is x square. This is 2L square equals to x square. If you want to x value, x equals to root 2 L will come. So what about this distance? Perpendicular distance is root 2 L. Now, one of the application magnetic field to find out B equals to mu naught upon 4 pi I by D sin alpha plus sin beta. This is the for infinite conductor magnetic field to find out. For infinite conductor to find out the magnetic field. How it look like? You look at here. This is the conductor, you take it, I current is passing through this. For this conductor, at a point P, magnetic field, at a point P, what is the magnetic field formula? This is alpha, this is beta. Now this is I current is passing. For that magnetic field at point P to find out, this is the formula. This is the formula. Okay. So this is infinite conductor. For this, you look at here, this conductor is infinite, which is this conductor you take, this is K, this point L, this point M, this is infinite conductor. For infinite conductor, you need to find out first of all alpha and beta values. Already I gave this is for infinite conductor, how to take the alpha and beta values. I gave, you look at here, again I am explaining. This is infinite conductor, I current is positive. This side is infinity, this side is infinity. So at a distance, d distance, here alpha value, beta value, what will happen? Generally we are taking this is alpha. So if it is infinite conductor, that means this is alpha. Now infinite conductor, this means alpha. Like this, if we draw like this lines, continuously lines, if we draw it, what will happen? This this comes like this, and finally it comes like this. So alpha value will be, here alpha value will be 90 degree. In the same manner, beta value also you take like this. So infinite conductor, no, this will be beta, this will be beta, like this. Up to infinite, if we connect like this line, angle will come beta is 90 degree. Alpha and beta is here. For this above conductor, alpha and beta is 90 degrees. Alpha and beta is 90 degrees. Look at here. So here, for this alpha and beta, for this connector here, this is alpha. Alpha is 90 will come, infinite connector. For this also beta, for beta also will come as, beta also come as alpha and beta, both are 90 degrees one. But you substitute in this formula, here distance, perpendicular distance is root 2L. What is the formula? B equals to mu naught, B equals to mu naught upon 4 pi I by D sin alpha. Here D means D equals to what we assume, D equals to root 2L, you substitute here root 2L. This is sin alpha, sin 90 plus again this is sin 90, beta value is 90, alpha and beta value is 90. So we can write beta equals to mu naught upon 4 pi I by root 2L. This 90 is 1 plus 1. It will be mu naught I upon here 2. This 2 times will go. This is 2 pi 2 root 2 pi L. 2 root 2 pi L. This is the answer for this. Or you can simplify with root 2. Otherwise, you can multiply with root 2, divide with root 2. And one more simplification you can do it. Finally, magnetic field will be here root 2 mu naught I upon, this is root 2 into root 2, 2 will come, 2 into 2, 4 pi L. 4 pi L you can get. And field will be, field which direction? Field will be magnetic field. This is the formula.